The intrinsic silicon crystal is to purify the silicon material to form purity. Silicon crystals with a crystalline structure. The properties of intrinsic silicon include high purity, low defect density, and excellent optical transmission. These characteristics make intrinsic silicon have a wide range of application prospects in optical component manufacturing. Its machinable shapes are round, rectangular, open hole, curved moon, wedge angle, plano-convex, plano-concave, biconvex, biconcave, open ball, prismatic. Optics has complete optical crystal, production equipment, and experience. High-quality, intrinsic silicon crystals are available. As an optical crystal manufacturer, optical crystals of different shapes and specifications can also be customized for you according to your needs. If you have any questions or needs, welcome to Consult Online.